Hey guys, today in this video we're going to learn how to check your notifications on another device Facebook problem. And in order for us to fix this kind of an issue, what we have to do is to open our Facebook application, and we are going to go to settings, in which we are going to tap on the three lines here at the top. We're going to scroll down and we're going to log out from our devices and then log in again after we've waited for some few seconds. Another thing which we can actually do is to change our password that we use to log into our Facebook application, and this will ensure that any unauthorized access to our account will be revoked. Another thing we are going to check is, after logging out from other devices, we are going to ensure that our notification settings are configured correctly, which we are going to open our Facebook applications and tap here the three lines, then tap on settings. Then we are going to tap on notifications. From here, we are going to customize our notifications here as needed. And by following these steps, we are going to be able to fix your notification on another device Facebook problem issue. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if it did help. And I'll see you guys on the next video.